If I want to redial a call, the redial option is located on the lower right-hand side. Simply press that. Away we go.
Thank you for calling RAM Communications.
If I want to call,
If you know your party's extension, you may dial it at any time.
if I want to put the
Or
call on
please
mute,
choose from
that's
one
my
of
mute
the following
button.
options.
That'll light up
For
red.
customer service, please press 1. For
If I want to put the
information
call
about
on
RAM,
hold, there's my hold button. Once I'm in a hold, notice my call, as opposed to the other calls on the staff, is located here on the lower left-hand side, and it's pulsating in green. And that's telling me that my particular call is on hold. If I want to get back to my particular call,
following options.
press on that
For
button,
customer service,
and I'm
please
back to
press
that
1.
call.